Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Here tap on the keypad and enter a special code which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so just tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's open the settings. Here we need to scroll all the way down to find About Phone, and scroll down again to find Status Info. And after scrolling a little bit, you can see both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.